วันนี้จะมาอ่านบันทึกสะท้อนคิดภาษาอังกฤษค่ะ The record represents the iron of working on a daily basis, care phone work better and learn the behavior of children inside care center and have no idea how to solve each side at about 2 cents right and the student and improve teaching each day. Students learn have a good understanding of the teaching and a solution to the problem of students who have to date have been successful. I modify and improve the habits of students who bully fear, friend fight over toy, which improves behavior and the admonition to know what is wrong and what should be done, what you should do. The issue of children age of poverty is behavior is what I should do more by observing and taking note every day. Right, teach I will have qualified side a lengthen satisfaction. I have the development of national development